Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. Good day. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. If you're just stopping by for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me always. So in today's video I'll be showing you different ways we use perfume. I got a request to do a video like this, so if you want to see how to use different type of perfumes, keep on watching. So the first perfume I'll be starting with is Late Nude. This is a white humor popularly used by women. It's not very popular because you can come across some women that don't know about this, but this is popular. So this is Late Nude. This is white humor. I taught my student in the advanced class how to make this Late Nude humor. It's a very nice and very good humor to use, so I want it to be focused on this. So this is a very good nice humor. You can use it on your body, on your clothes, but I prefer using it on my body and clothes, like when it's not when I'm not going out. I usually use this at home. It has a very simple, classic but long-lasting scent. So I added it to this container because of the container has this kind of cute like way to pour it. So this is how I'll use my Late Nude. I'll add a little to my hand. I've added my Late Nude to my hand, so I'm just going to rub this around my body like this. You can as well use it on your clothes, but this leave a long-lasting sweet scent on your body. After taking your bath, you can use this as your bathing mist. Oh my god, the scent from this is so amazing. It has a like musky scent, musky sweet scent. It's not it doesn't have the woody notes to it. So I made this using most perfume oils that have like floral, sweet, musky scent, for those of you that understand perfume notes and the rest. So I'm done with my humra. You can rub your black humra too on your body, because the ingredients used when making humra are like to apply your black humra, white humra, your musk humra, different kind of humra. You can rub it on your body and you can also rub them on your clothes. Well, me, I prefer using them on my body. Like, I don't want it, especially when I'm going out, I don't want the scent to be too strong like that, so I just prefer rubbing them on my body, then wearing my clothes like that. So the next perfume here, we have this Sorati Jador oil perfume. This is Jador. It's a very nice perfume. It's a very long lasting perfume and has a very nice scent. When you use this perfume to make your triangular, this is a little secret, your triangular and your humra, oh my god, the scent from that triangular and humra, you love it. You will love it. So I have my Jador here. When using oil perfume, some people, so you just shake this if it's low, and then you apply it on your pulse point like this and like this. And then be careful, ladies, if you are using this to, like, if you are applying this to go out, it has a very strong scent. So if you are not the type that like strong attractive perfume like that, just apply this a little. I always do like this, I don't know why, but I always do like this. So I apply here, okay, and then my neck. I apply my neck on behind my ears too. I apply this, and then I get a little more and apply under my armpits, Jador hair. So I see a lot of people, when applying perfume, they rub it on their palm. You don't rub it on your palm. You don't apply your oil perfume on your palm. You apply. Okay, so the third perfume I have here is this, my best bestseller perfume. I love this because it's pocket friendly. You can just drop this in your bag when going for classes, when going for outing, like when you're done with what you're doing after work. You can apply this because it's just has this cute little bottle, and then it's not very heavy. I hope you understand. It's not like this. They have similar scents, but this is something that you can use anytime. You can just keep it in your pocket. For the guys, for the ladies, we can drop this in our purse, our bag. So this is so good. Okay, so this perfume is used on the body. When I use this perfume, I just rub it under my armpits, and then my neck, and then my first fingers, just by my wrist like that, the way I'm showing in the video. That's the way I rub it. And then after rubbing it, this type of perfume has a very nice scent. Like it has this oud molecule, has this woody scent to it, woody and sweet. Like the top note, the bottom note is the sandalwood. Then the top notes, when you use this, you perceive a musky scent from it. So it's a very good and long-lasting perfume. The white mousse at Tahara, we all know. So mousse at Tahara is used after period, but you can use it on your body, on your skin too, if you like the scent. But mostly Muslim women use it after their monthly period, that's after menstruation. So when using mousse at Tahara, you don't apply it directly into your body, because you know that's a very sensitive part. So when you apply mousse at Tahara, you just get your cotton board. So for this video, I don't have cotton board, cotton wool. So I don't have cotton wool presently. I'll be using cotton board. Then I will drop this into my mousse at Tahara. Some of them come very white in the container, and some are like just transparent in color. Just get a good one. Some are diluted. So when you want to use mousse at Tahara, I have a doll here. Sorry, she's so ugly, but we just need to use her for this video. So the proper way of using mousse at Tahara is by applying around the places where your menstrual blood, that's the blood from menstruation, touches. That's the place you apply mousse at Tahara. You don't apply mousse at Tahara into your body because it's very sensitive, and it's going to like leave an itchy feeling, or maybe even burn down to your body. So you rub it like this by the side, and then at the back like this, just around the places where your menstrual blood touches. And then if you are using mousse at Tahara, like not for menstruation or anything, you just need to apply it around your thigh. That's for married women. You apply it around your thigh like this, just around the thigh. You don't apply it into your body because it's going to leave an itchy feeling to your body. And then if you even try applying this and you feel that it's very itchy or it's burning your skin, stop applying it. Maybe your skin is reacting. It has a very nice scent to it. When added to perfume or humra, it has a very nice scent. And the secret of the water is you add mousse at Tahara, especially if you're using that direct water for your body. That's a little secret. So that's it for this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then comment if you don't understand anything from this video. And if you enjoyed watching this video, like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next one. Bye.